this episode of Docker, we're going to Dockerize another web framework, which is Next.js, the top trend of the industry now for the front end. This is the official website for the Next.js, and via it, I have created a Next app. I have used TS for it, and straight into the app, I'm going to run it. I have changed very few things in the main page.tsx. Now it is compiling, and you can see I have just created a simple page. So we have stopped the application, and now let's Dockerize it. It is very much different from the Angular one. Here you don't need the Nginx configuration. You just have to use the Dockerfile alone, Docker ignore for ignoring the files that do not need Dockerization. So we will straightly jump into the Dockerfile. Here I have used the Node.22 Alpine image, and the work directory is /app, and I'm going to give the npm install and copy whatever the files that are present, and the next step would be to run npm run build, and it is also a multi-stage Dockerfile. We have to have a run stage, but we will not use the Nginx. We will directly use the node to run it. In fact, Next.js comes with a production grade built-in server to host its pages. So we don't need the support of Nginx in this case. The image will be on a slightly higher size, but considering the amount of effort that it needs, it's worth it. So now let's you can see here, right? So now let's start the Docker steps. We will have to Dockerize it, a Docker build followed by the command, and then the application name. Now let's see. Okay, we will give everything in small case. We have missed something. We have given npm install, but where from? Based on what it should install? It should look for a package, right? We will give the package JSON files here. Package start.json will work out for both log and the package.json, and now we will try to build it again. This time it will pass. You can see that it is trying to retry and it is failing because that we do not have the fonts for it. For this, we should have the Next.js local fonts, or we should opt for an image which can download the fonts from the web. The local fonts, I will explain it in a video later, but for now I have changed the image base version to something else, to a normal node image, not an Alpine one. It will have the bash installed inside it, so it will download the fonts from the internet for you. And now we have the Next.js application running inside a Docker container. So simple, right? We do not need an Nginx configuration, but I will show you inside the Docker desktop what is the size that it has. It has a 1 GB, but if we use the local fonts and if we switch to a much smaller Alpine image, it will be lesser, but the base image will be lesser, but the total size of the image will not be this much low. It will be on a higher stage. But the build and image are much automated via the Node and the Next.js. So this framework is very much simple for Dockerizing and for carrying out other development activities as well. So that's it for now.